Good morning, students. This is Maithili, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Dear students, today we are going to see the new chapter, Exact Equation. First, let us see the definition. An equations of the form m dx plus n dy, where m and n are functions of x and y, is said to be exact if dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. This is the definition for the exact equation. That is, the equation is of the form. The equation is of the form m dx plus n dy, where m and n are functions of x and y, is said to be exact if it satisfies the condition dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Next, to solve the exact differential equation, we do the following steps. These are the following steps to solve the differential equation. See the first one. First step, integrate m dx. First step, you have to integrate m with respect to dx and keeping y as a constant. Listen carefully. First step, integrate m with respect to dx and keeping y as a constant. This is the first step. And second step, integrate the portion of n dy, integrate the portion of n dy but not containing x. Okay, integrate the portion of n dy. We have to integrate n with respect to dy, but the n term is does not containing x. First step is integrate m dx keeping y as a constant. Second one, integrate the portion of n dy but n is not containing x term. Clear? And the third step, equate the sum of these integral is to a constant. So after integrating m dx and n dy, we have to add. The general solution is given by integral m dx plus n dy is equal to constant. This is the general solution. Clear? Let us see one problem. See the first sum. Solve the equation x square plus y square minus a square into x dx plus x square minus y square minus b square into y dy is equal to 0. So this is a given equation. See, the given equation can be written as, see, in the given equation we have to multiplying the x term to the inside. See, the outside we have one x term, so just multiply. We get x cube plus x y square minus x a square into dx plus x square y minus y cube minus y b square into dy is equal to 0. Okay, now this given equation is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. We have to equate the given equation in general form. What is the general form? M dx. General form of exact equation is m dx plus n dy. So equate the given equation to the general form and we get m is equal to x cube plus x y square minus a square x and n is equal to x square y minus y cube minus y b square. Okay, now what is the first condition? You have to differentiate dou m by dou y. Dou is nothing but the partial differentiation. That is, in the m term, what is called m is equal to x cube plus x y square minus a square x. In that m, we have to differentiate partially with respect to y. We have to differentiate m partially with respect to y. You have to differentiate y terms alone. For dou m by dou y is equal to, leave the x cube term. Okay, next term is x y square. So keep x as a constant and differentiate y square, we get 2y. Therefore 2xy. And then another term is x term, so just leave it. So dou m by dou y is nothing but 2xy. Similarly, differentiate n with partially with respect to x. Differentiate n partially with respect to x. See, the first term contain x square y. So differentiation of x square is nothing but 2xy. Okay, the next two terms containing y cube, that is y term, so no need to differentiate. So dou m by dou y is equal to 2xy and dou n by dou x is equal to 2xy. Therefore dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore the given equation is exact. Okay, next we have to find integral m dx. So next we have to find the general solution. Before finding the general solution, we have to find integral m dx. So integral m dx, see the bracket. What is the first step? See the first step, integrate m dx keeping y as a constant. So see here, integral m dx, that is nothing but you have to keep y as a constant. So what is integral x cube plus xy square minus a square x into dx. We have to integrate x cube by x cube integration x power 4 by 4 plus keep y square as a constant and integrate x alone. We get x square by 2. So x square y square by 2 minus a square x square by 2. That is m dx. And next one you have to integral n with respect to dy. And what that is the second step. Integrate the portion of n dy not containing x. So n should not containing x term. So what is the term? See n. N is equal integral n dx not containing x. What is the value for n? N is equal to x cube y. X square y. So x square y. So no need to take that term x square y because we can x square y contains x term. So leave that first term. So leave it. So consider the second term. Second term is minus y cube. So minus y cube and third term is y b square. So take integral n dy then does not containing x term. So leave the first term because first term contain x square. So leave that term and take the remaining two terms. That is integral minus y cube minus y b square into dy. Clear girls? So integral m dx is nothing but treat y as a constant. And second term integral n dy is not containing x. We should not take the x term. So minus y cube minus y b square into dy. Now integrate what we get minus y power 4 by 4 minus b square y square by 2. What's the solution? Solution is nothing but integral m dx plus integral n dy is equal to c. So what is integral m dx? X power 4 by 4 plus x square y square by 2 minus a square x square by 2 minus y power 4 by 4 minus b square y square by 2 is equal to c. So that is the solution. Okay, let us see one more problem. Same one. Solve x square minus 4xy minus 2y square into dx plus y square minus 4xy minus 2x square into dy is equal to 0. Right. So we have to first equate the given term in the general form m dx plus n dy. What is m? M is equal to x square minus 4xy minus 2y square and n is equal to y square minus 4xy minus 2x square. Now differentiate m partially with respect to y. So dou m by dou y is nothing but minus 4x minus 4y. And second one, dou n by dou x is equal to minus 4y minus 4x. That is partial differentiation. So see both dou m by dou n is equal or equal. Therefore the given equation is exact. What is the general solution is given by integral m dx plus integral n dy is equal to constant. For integral m dx, which is what is the condition? Y is constant. For integral n dy, not containing x term. Just take the hint. That's all. For integral, what is the value for m? X square minus 4xy minus 2y square into dx plus integral. See the n term. N term is nothing but y square minus 4xy minus 2x square. So we have to take only y term alone. No need to take x term. So we have to consider only first term y square because second and third term containing x, right? So leave that term. Therefore integral n dy is nothing but integral y square into dy is equal to constant. So after integration we get x cube by 3 minus 4 x square y by 2 minus 2 y square x plus y cube by 3 is equal to constant. So after cancellation, we get the answer is x cube by 3 minus 2x square y minus 2x y square plus y cube by 3 is equal to constant. Right. See the next sum. The same one. A square minus 2xy minus y square into dx minus x plus y the whole square dy is equal to 0. See, you have to write it is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So write the m terms and write the n terms. Find dou m by dou x, find dou n by dou x. And see both the terms are equal. So equal means what is called? It is called exact. Next we have to find integral m dx. Integral m dx is nothing but keeping y as a constant. So we get a square x minus 2x square by 2 into y minus y square x. And next one, integral n dy. N dy is nothing but not containing x. Not containing x means we get only minus y square. So that is after integration we get minus y cube by 3. For general solution is nothing but integral m dx plus integral n dy is equal to constant. Adding the two terms and equal to constant, we get the answer. Next sum, fourth sum, solve the solution. 2y sin x plus cos y into dx is equal to x sin y plus 2x, x sin y plus 2 cos x plus tan y into dy. First write the given equation in the linear form, that is 2y sin x plus cos y into dx minus x sin y plus 2 cos x plus tan y into dy is equal to 0. This is of the form m dx plus n dy. Just take m is nothing but 2y sin x plus cos y and n is equal to minus of x sin y plus 2 cos x plus tan y. Next to find dou m by dou y is nothing but 2 sin x minus sin y. Okay. Dou n by dou x is nothing but minus of sin y minus 2 sin x. Is nothing but 2 sin x minus sin y. See, both dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, it is exact. Next, we have to find integral m dx. What is the condition? Y is a constant. So, what is integral 2y sin x plus cos y is into dx. So, minus 2y, we have to differentiate sin x. Integration of sin x is nothing but minus cos x. So, we get minus 2y cos x plus treat cos y as a constant and integrate dx, we get x. Second term, integral n dy not containing x term. Not containing x term, what do we get? First two terms are containing x, the last term tan y. So, you have to take only tan y. Minus tan y into dy. So, minus of tan y, integration of tan y is nothing but minus log cos y. So, minus into minus become plus, we get log cos y. For the general solution is nothing but integral m dx plus integral n dy is equal to c. So, adding the both terms and equal to constant, we get the solution. Okay. See the problems. The homework sums are given. The same method. Okay. Just find m terms and n terms. Okay. That was the first condition. What is called exact equation? Listen. The term equation of the form m dx plus n dy, m and n are functions of x and y is said to be exact, means for this condition should be satisfied. Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So after the condition is solved, after the condition is proved, what is the first step? We have to integrate m dx. Integrate m dx keeping y as a constant, the first property. And second step, integrate the portion n dy not containing x, that is the second step. And third step, adding both the terms integral m dx plus integral n dy and equating to the constant, we get the general solution. So these are the problems in exact equations. Okay, girls, kindly copy down all the problems in your classwork note and do the homework sums. If you have any doubt, you can call me. I will clear your doubts. Thank you.